Hello everyone, I am Uttam Khatri, pursuing my BTech from the lovely professional university. Today we will be working on a project that we are going to create a music playlist using Doubly linked list. So first of all, we will see what linked list is. So linked list is basically a data structure that stores data as well as the reference of the next node. So let's say the first ever node in a linked list is called head. So let's say we have a node. There are two components of node. One will store data and one will store the reference of next node. So we basically use linked list so that we can make changes in it easily and it is very compatible as well. So, but in this project, we will be using doubly linked list. So what we will see what doubly linked list is. So basically, simple linked list stores the reference of the next data set. But in doubly linked list, we store two references, the previous one and the next also. So there are three components of one node. One will store data and two will store the reference of next and one will store the reference of previous one. Like this will store data, the reference of next node and the reference of previous node. In doubly linked list, it in doubly linked list, every node has link to its previous node and next node. So as I have told you, we can traverse forward by using next field and can traverse backward by using previous field. Every node in a doubly linked list contains three fields. They are shown in the following figure. So one will be data, one will be next, one will be previous. We are using doubly linked list because as we all have access playlists and music platforms that whenever we want to go to next song, we press next and we can also go to previous song. That's why we are using doubly linked list instead of single. So now we will see the code, how it works, and try to create our own playlist. So let's begin with the code. We will create a class, name song, and define instructor. We will pass self and title of the song as arguments. Self dot title equals to title. Self dot next equals none. Self dot previous equals none. So here we have created a node. Let's define another class named playlist. We'll create another constructor, define in it self. Now self code head equals to none. Self code tail equals to none. Self dot current equals to none. So now we will create a function to add song to our playlist. So define add underscore song. Self, what we will pass as argument, of course, the title of song that we want to add. So we'll pass title as its argument. Now let's name it. Create a variable named new song equals song title. These are basic codes that we have seen in previous videos also. That's why I'm going a little with speed. Now, if self dot head self dot head is none. If our first element of the linked list is none, it means we are adding the song for the first time. Then self dot head equals new song. Okay, this self dot tail equal to new song and self dot current equals to new song. And if we already have a song in a playlist, then we will go to else self dot tail dot next equals the song and new underscore song dot next previous address. Yeah, because we are adding a new song. Self dot tail, right? Self dot tail equals to. So here we updated the first element. Now we will define a function to play the song. Define play current. So what will pass? Of course, the self is self dot is self dot current print now playing Travis dot current dot title. Yeah. Else print no songs in playlist. So we created a function to play the current song. So if we have something self-load current, so it will just get played. And if it is not, then we will just display no songs in playlist. So let's say define another function for no playing the next song. Define next underscore song. No such argument in it. Then if self dot current and self dot current dot next. So when can we play the next song? That the song that we're playing now, and it must have something next to it. Now then only we can play and use this function. Next self dot current dot next. Yeah, then just the same update the current self dot current equal to self dot current dot next print will not print. We will just set dot current second current dot next. Then self dot play current. We will call this play underscore current. Yeah, we will add another condition else if else self dot current and new items you are at the end of playlist. Yeah. If we have something in next, then we'll play the song, and else we don't have any for the song in our playlist at the end of playlist. We can have another condition. Hmm. Else of identity. Else print no song in playlist. So this was the condition that we have a current song, मतलब current song and next to it. Then it's the condition that the song is last, and it is the condition that there is no song in the playlist. So now we will define a function for playing the previous song. Define previous song. If self dot current and self dot current dot previous. There must be something previous to it that we are playing. Then only self dot current equals to self dot current dot previous. Self score dot play current. Hmm. Then another condition elif self dot current that is self dot current and playlist. This condition will play the song if there is something previous to it. This condition we are at the first song only. Now another condition that we have no song with. Now we will define a function that will shows the playlist, the current status of playlist. Define display playlist. Self, self dot add is none. Print the playlist is empty first. We will simply return if the playlist is no empty, and if it is no, then temp equals to self and print for the title of playlist to just display that this is playlist. While temp print just display the name of song temp and then move to the next title temp dot next. Yes, this is the code to display the playlist. So now let's remove if you want to remove some songs from the list, define remove song for self and the title of song that we want to remove. So if self dot head is none. If you don't have any song in the playlist, then print the playlist is empty and simply return from the function. But if we have something a playlist, then mm, just give a variable self dot add I temp till that we have another element that can be updated as temp. If temp dot title equals to title, if temp dot title equals to title, if temp dot previous, if temp dot title is equals to title, if temp dot previous, then temp dot previous, previous dot next equals to temp dot previous. Here we are just updating the values of our variables. And if temp dot next temp dot next dot previous will be get updated to temp dot previous. Now another condition, if temp equals to self dot head, self dot head will be updated to temp dot next. If temp equals to self dot tail, self dot tail related to temp dot previous because we are removing the temp. So here we have defined temp as the song to the node that we want to delete. And now if and last condition, if temp equals to self dot current, that the song we want to remove the current song we are playing, then self dot current will be temp dot previous self dot current equals to temp dot next. If temp dot next else temp dot previous. If this current song will be temp dot next, if temp dot next, if it is the next one available, else it will be assigned to previous song. And then we will just print in title is remove. And then just simply we will return and update our temp as temp dot next. And print title not found. No, else of all these conditions is that the song that we don't want to that we want to delete is not in our playlist. Oops. So now as we have created all the functions that need to be created, now we will just implement those. Let's say we will just playlist and we will do just assign into the class playlist. Now we want to add a song playlist dot add song name song one. Again playlist dot add underscore song named song two playlist dot add song named song three. Now we will display the playlist dot display playlist. Just call this function. Let's first write all the that we want to do in this dot play current playlist dot next no remove any song. Let's say you want to remove song two. Mm, playlist. We have called all our functions. Now let's see what will be the result. Yeah. So first of all, we added three songs. Song one, song two, song three. We displayed the playlist. Mm, play current. What song is being played? Now playing one, then two, play current. Now we called next song. So next song of one is two. Okay. Now playing two. And now previous song. And two before two there was one. Now we want to remove song two. So we song two removed from playlist. Now the playlist is song one and song three. So this is how we can create playlist using Python. Thank you so much.